You're just gonna be quick, yeah? Quick.
Hopefully.
Yeah, okay.
Depends on what he wants me to do.
Okay. Hi. So, nandito tayo guys kung saan nagpark na naman si Mr. ng motor. Kasi, magbabayad yata siya. Kasi yung last na punta namin dito parang January. And yung payment niya is hanggang ngayon lang March. Kaya nandito ulit kami. Magbabayad siya. And then, pupunta ulit kami sa Boundary Mill para doon sa binigay na gift voucher na binigay nung kanyang anak sa akin. At 30 pound din yun, sayang. And dun lang talaga yun sa Boundary Mill. Nagising ang ating baby pag stop ni Mr. dito. Pero tulog talaga to kanina.
He's not done anything.
You don't want any money? Alright.
Because
But
she's
you're
not
paying.
bought any tyres.
Okay.
So, what I've said to him, he says he might be able to do it by the 5th, next weekend.
Okay.
I said, right, recognising that short, if you can do it by the 12th, the gardening stuff while we're here, because it's that time.
Yeah. Because you want to plant up flowering plants or ornamental near around the fence. So we better
So
look for some plants.
It's mainly for you and gardening rather than me and a pressure washer. It's just I'm saying, while I'm here, I
Okay.
can look at pressure washers.
Okay. If someone is awake, you have to put her in the carrier, but I have to check her nappy first.
Right.
Okay. So she's comfy, walking around, smiling. What Rachel says, smiling, smiling. You happy? Lamig. Dito tayo sa B&Q na guys. Ang bilis nung lapit lang kasi. Yes. Olive tree?
Olive.
Yeah, look at the olive tree, guys. Oh, 15 pounds. This is nice. Gazebo. £8. 8 pound ang kanilang orchids. Walang magandang color. White and purple lang. Ay, ito ang mahal. 12. Yung white. And then, itong isa. Ang mahal. Ano to? Palm tree? 32 pound. Grabe kamahal, guys. Ganito ang plants nila dito. Kamahal. Ay, may ganito ako. 150 lang sa IKEA. Pero ito mataas na. Ang cute. Clearance half mark price. Half na lang. So, 7. 7 pound na lang. White. Ang ganda ng peace lily nila, guys. Oh, sobrang lago. Good for inside the house. 18 pound naman. Just me sa mahal. Ang liit ng daisy. Yung binili kong daisy na ganito ay 1.99 sa Aldi. Ito ang cute. 5. Siguro magiging ano na lang. 250. Because it's half price. Lamig. So, wala akong nakikita ang ang tawag doon. Calamansi. Mister, they don't have calamansi today. Yeah. It's only seasonal. Peace. Ang dami nilang bulb or anong tawag dito. Hindi yan bulb gusto kong itanim ay yung hindi mamamatay. 2 pound each. They have mixed vegetables with asparagus, corn, cucumber. What is this? Beetroot? I don't think so.
Beetroot. Rhubarb.
What is that?
Rhubarb. It's
Is it
sour.
Oh, they have different here. 4 pound. Mahal.
Comes with the brush.
All of it? All the cleaning accessories?
Yeah.
Oh goodness, 177 pounds. They're all the same?
No.
Some are cheaper but not good.
What I'm saying is,
This
that
one.
one's 177,
Mahal naman.
and the other one's 177.
It depends on how you're gonna use it and where you're gonna use it for. You know? So, it all depends on the purpose. What are you buying it for? For your car? For your
For the car,
bike?
for the van, for the motorbike, for the house.
For the house?
There's this one as well, but we all get it.
135, expensive also. Well, it's up to you. Wow, it's nice this, oh. Ang ganda nitong mga ganito, guys. Kaso, ito ay ano lang. What? No, I didn't. Yeah, I like that. Pero ang cute, 160. Grabe naman, oy. Hindi talaga ako maano sa mga gamit. Itong 85. Ito, 110. And, ang ganda. It's nice. Ito pa sa taas. 158. 590. And this one, 380. 168.
And when you get outside,
Oh, when you have potatoes, I can plant our potatoes there. That's sprouting. Because sometimes you buy too much potatoes.
yeah,
And they sprouted. Ang kati ng aking likod dahil sa aking buhok. Labas tayo, guys. Dahil dito maraming plants. Dahil ngayon ay ano na, liwanag. At dahil nga spring na, makikita na natin lahat ng plants na magaganda. Papakita ko pala kay Mr. yung aking nakitang apple sa pots. Oh, they have pots here. May mga pots din pala dito. Oh, they have plates. Oh. 7 plus 22?
yeah. Oh, they won't be cheap.
I know.
They make the money.
I know. Well, the IKEA is best choice, I think. Yeah? 20 pound? 22. How much did we bought it? 22? 19?
19.
19 pound with the plates. 15 for the pots and 4 for the plates. Cameraman of the day. I'm gonna put it back. I don't want to break it.
You don't want it?
I have no things to plant. Yeah, they're outside and they're in a pot. They are 24. The Leyland Garden Center. We have to go there also to look for the plants. What is this?
What about
Cherries.
cherries?
But they're so expensive.
They are what they are.
Gusto ng puno pero hindi hindi gustong bumili. Ayaw bumili ka, mahal kasi. Pears, they are all 24 pounds. They have pears, 24. Apple for 24. And then, cherries, 24 din. Mahal, ayoko. Let's wait for late spring. And then, we go to Leyland Garden Center. The price will drop. Yeah? How much is that? Year after year. 7 pound. You want to buy it?
No, I'm just looking at it.
Parang kuripot. Year after year. I can plant tomatoes. How much? Expensive also. They're dying. It's so cold. 2 pound. Ang laki. The bay leaf? Bay leaf. 3 plants for 10 pounds. 3 type of plants for 10 pounds. Ay, ito ang taas. Bay leaf din to, laurel. Peppers. 20 pounds. That's so small. It's only same size as what we have. Oh, smaller. Inside, both of you. Not yet. I'm gonna look for fruits. Tingnan tayo ng mga fruit trees. Ano yan? Raspberry, 550. Fruiting. Ano to? White currant. Gooseberry. Yan ang itsura niya. Yung bahay ng anak ni Mr., yung garden nun, ay may mga berries din. Berries. Black currant. Parang gusto ko yung blackberries. So, 550 sila, guys. Hindi ganun kamahal. Itong mga to. Dahil maliliit pa kasi, kaya medyo affordable pa. Ano to? Red currant. Ako'y natutuwa lang talaga magtingin-tingin ng mga plants. Pero sa totoong buhay, ako'y namamahalang masyado. Ganda nito guys. Oh. Pag ako'y bumili ng halaman, ayoko nang mamamatay. Gusto ko ay nasa loob sila ng bahay. Ang ganda nito. Para siyang rose. Ranunculus. Tingin tayo ng mga rose. Alam nyo ba guys, yung nabili namin ni Mr. na rose, yun ay climbing rose. And medyo mahal siya. Pero dahil kami bumili, late season na. Parang late summer. Siya ay nag-drop price. Parang nakuha na lang namin ng 250 or 2 something. Pero itong mga to ay medyo mahal pa. Ganito yun, red. So, ayan. And magpa-flowers na yun. Ganito yung aking mga binili sa Morrison 250, pero yun ay parang medyo maliit yun. Ito medyo mahahaba. Blue and pink yata. Cute naman ito. I want the puppy. Ah, it's so cute.
What a pig.
Or a sheep, lamb. Oh, cute. How much? 24. I don't want a puppy. Ang mahal. But look at that. Oh, parang tunay. Ang cute ng bird. I want a bird. Robin bird. 10 pound.
You're looking at these.
17. How cute. I want a rabbit. Robin rabbit. Ah, this one. Scratching ears. Uuwi na tayo, guys. Uuwi pa na tayong boundary meal, guys. But, gusto ko manang tingnan tong kanilang mga flowers here. Ang ganda nito. 4 for 14. Ang ganda niya. Kaso, parang maaga pa para magtanim. Maroon, blue, pink. Okay, we're going. Pupunta na tayo sa boundary meal para gastusin ang ating 30 pound. Akala mo, laki ng gagastusin, oh. We're going to boundary meal now. Yay! I forgot the voucher.
You haven't?
It's in my bag.
Of course you haven't forgot the voucher. The
Almost.
moment I mentioned Boundary Mill, the voucher went straight in the bag.
Not really. I just put it this morning. We can go to Leyland Garden Center. Maybe their plants are cheaper. Quite expensive. Put
The Layla one or the big one?
where we went last time with the restaurant. Where was that?
The big one, yeah.
Yeah. We bought the rose there and it's so cheap. Parang tahimik ang boundary meal ngayon. Hindi siya ganun ka crowded. Ang bilis ni Mr. naglakad. May bus pala dito. May tigil. Ganyan ang itsura nito, guys. Ito yung aking unang napuntahan na mall dito sa UK. Dahil kinabukasan pag-arrive namin is nag-visit kami sa anak ni Mr. Ang lamig. Dito na naman tayo. We're gonna go for kitchenwares again. Parang nag-sale sila na naman or talagang sale sila nung nagpunta kami. Nag-sale. Ito yung aking wrist na gusto. 190. Parang 1 pound lang to nung nakaraan. Cute. Bili tayo ng isa. Or green. Maybe green. Cookies? Bread? You want cookies? Yes! Yeah! He's so happy. A dog? A puppy? You want a puppy, Michaela? I like this. Oh, how much is it? £7. You want a puppy? This one. Arf! Arf, arf! Arf, arf! Arf, arf! What the dog say? She's stopping. What the dog say? Arf, arf! Arf, arf! Arf, arf, arf! Arf. It smells so good. Let's see. Nilang food. It's so nice. That looks yummy. It's our sandwich. $4.75, $3.75 sandwiches. You have a spoon?
I've got a spoon for you in case you wanted a spoon instead of a knife. I haven't used it yet.
No, spoon will work. If this is fine. Nice. I like tuna. You okay? This is yummy. Dark. Sarap. It's a big serve. Yummy. May na ang tao, guys. This is nice, but no zipper.
Then go and look at Adidas.
You're going to ate? We're finished, guys. Tayo sa anak ni Mister. Hindi na tayo magpa-vlog doon. Are you okay? Parang na-oo pa ang ating baby. So you're gonna go to the countryside, is it? We're home, guys. We're home. Ang lamig sa labas. Sobrang hangin. Yung Amazon ni Mister, kinukuha niya sa shed. Is it? Put it inside the shed? Hindi, put it inside the shed. Oh, that's good. May take out na naman tayo. Book.
He did the job properly.
Yeah. Maybe because it's raining.
Yeah, maybe.
Order siya ng para sa bike. Hello? You happy? I think she made smell. Made smell. She wants to grab the camera. Where's the book, Mister? This one set.
Dolls.
Break this. Happy. Nakagala na naman. Ang ganda nung nabili ko, guys, na jacket. Ito ay, nakalimutan ko kung anong brand. Sorry. Dito siya sa likod. For sure, ay French Connection. So, ito ay dating 30 pounds. Is it 30 pounds? Oh. Dati siyang 60 pound pala. Dahil sale, naging 24.99. So, ang ganda niya. Dapat cardigan yung kukunin ko. Kaso, hindi pala maganda yung cardigan. Gusto ko sana nito, may zipper. Wala akong makita may zipper. So, okay na yan. Tsaka, ano pang binili namin? Whisk and candy. Yun ang mga nabili. Hello, hello, hello. So, may sukli pa yung ni Mister. Ay, yung bigay nung anak ni Mister. May sukli pa na 3 pounds, 4 pounds something. Tapos nagbigay si Mister ng 1 pound and 20 para gawing buo nung cashier. Dito pala, di ba sa atin, pag may mga ganyan, gift certificates, alam ko yan, ay kailangan mong i-spend lahat. Kailangan mo siyang gastos na hindi ka nila susuklian. Pero dito, pag pala, less than 5 pound is ibabalik nila sa yung sukle. Pero kung yun ay 5 pound ang sukle mo, bibigyan ka ng voucher. Isn't it, mister? Is that what, am I correct?
You talking to me?
Yeah, am I correct? The lady says if it's 5 pounds, she gonna give you another gift voucher.
Yeah.
But if less than 5, she gonna give you a change.
Yeah.
Oh. So correct. Ganun pala yun. This is the book. You're gonna show it to them. Hello. That's nice. We love it. Thank you, Ate. I think Laura wants her, Michaela, to call her just Laura. She keeps saying Laura, Laura. Yeah. Yeah, just the name of Ate. Don't need to call her Ate. Yeah, but your mama is Filipina.
What?
Ate is a must.
Hello. Yes.
Ate is a must. It's really important to say Ate. Okay.
So there's a middle ground there.
What?
There's a middle ground.
What is it?
I want you to call her Ate Laura.
Hello. We're gonna wash her now. It's time for bed. She's so tired. See you later, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye ikaw. Bye. May chika pala ako, guys. No? Nagbabay na, tapos may chika pa ulit. Ewan ko ba, pero ang weakness ko talaga is ayoko nang nakikita yung isang tao or bata na umiiyak. So, na-wash nung asawa nung anak ni Mr. yung bilip balm nung apo, nung anak. So, iyak na iyak ko. Kung pigilan, pati ako naiyak din. Hello. So, hindi ko mapigilan yan. Weakness ko yan. Kahit nung ako'y nag-OJT sa hospital before, nasa Nico ward kami. Tapos yung nurses, di makita yung vein ng baby. Ako talaga yung iyak ng iyak. So, sabi ng instructor namin, she is the mother. Ako daw yung nanay kasi ako yung iyak ng iyak. Ewan ko, pero tinitrain kasi yan, dapat hindi ka emotionally attached. Pero ewan ko, hindi ko kaya. Kaya sabi ko nga dun sa anak ni Mr., hindi ko yata kayang magtrabaho sa hospital. Especially pag sa children's or pedia ward. Hindi ko kaya. Lalo pag iyak ng iyak ang baby. Grabe. Pati yung luha ko na napatak. Kusa siyang pumapatak, guys. Hindi ko mapigilan. So, bye-bye na ikaw. Bye, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. It's bedtime. Bye-bye. Say bye.